Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be working on the Honda Civic Si. So I know in a couple videos ago you guys saw that I swapped out both of the compressors, but I still found out that the tank is still leaking from somewhere. So I'm going to show you guys how to check again. I believe I made a video about this, but I'm going to show you guys again how to check for leaks, and I'm going to show you guys where I found this leak from. So just clean up the car. Hey, look at those seats. They look real nice. I'm gonna show you guys, if you guys are new to air suspension, I'm gonna show you guys how air suspension works before I start showing you guys the issue and problem I'm running into. So if you guys don't know, this right here is called the manifold. So it's like a manifold. The manifold has all the air lines hooked up to it, and it's an ECU all in one. So as you can see, the big plug is here for electronics, and then all the air lines come in here. So each of these lines, so this one is the front left, so this is the front left of the wheel, driver side is the front. This is the front right, that's where passenger side is, in the front right. And then this is the front left where I'm standing right now, the back of the car, and then this is the rear right, so that's the passenger side, rear right. And then this is the tank. So if your tank is leaking, it's from this airline, which goes all the way, runs here, goes all the way to my water trap that's underneath there, that comes all the way to this line right here that goes to the tank. And then the compressors are separate. So if you have a leak, it's just going to be from here, because there's a valve in here that closed when the car is off. And then for the rest of the individual bags itself, all four of them, there's a valve that closes from air leaking and stuff like that. So it's pretty easy for you guys to get an idea. The main thing goes underneath here, and then it goes underneath there, hits the water trap, and then it comes all the way from the water trap to right here, that valve. And I'm also gonna probably put the air out valve, so when you hear out the car go psh, I don't have a line that runs outside the car so you can hear the psh. I just have it inside the car, so it's not making like a bunch of noise. But I'm probably going to put another air line right here, run outside the car, so you can hear the big psh when you air out now. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that as well. So as you guys can see, this is the tank, two compressors. This is your drain out, to drain the air out of the tank from water and moisture. When it sucks air from the compressors, it gets really hot, and then it sucks cold air in, it turns into water in the tank. So that's why it creates moisture and water, so you gotta drain it. Underneath here is my water trap, and then there's like a little hole right there that goes in draining. So what I noticed is the water trap is actually leaking, so I just gotta pull it out. Just like that. So you guys are probably wondering, how do you check for leaks? So to be able to check for leaks, you'll get some regular soap and water, and just put it in a bottle, switch it around, and then you're gonna spray here, between all of these fittings and stuff. Same thing with here. If this might be leaking, the valve in here might be leaking, you can spray in here, behind of it, all right down there underneath that plug by the compressors where they screw in that side. Same thing for this side as well, those two fittings right there. So you'll have to spray all those fittings to check for leaks. But I noticed that this is leaking, so even if you have the slowest leak, like it takes 2 to 3 minutes to drop a PSI, you should be able to still find a leak. So I'm gonna do it like this, right? And then I'm gonna show you guys. So as you guys can see, when I put it on there, it blows up like a balloon. You see it blowing up like a kind of like a bubble. See, look. See, it's still blowing bubbles like that. That's how you know it's leaking. And that's how I found out the water trap is leaking. I ordered a new water trap, so now I gotta swap this out. So I gotta do the same thing like the compressors. I have to take all the air out of the tank to be able to push these two fittings out and get the water trap. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is drain the tank, use this, push it down. So since all the air is out, all you have to do is come over here. All you gotta do is come over here, push it down. As soon as I push it down, it just slides right out. Same thing with this side, push it down, and it comes right out. So pretty easy, as you guys can see. So the water trap is out. I gotta remove this off of this old water trap and put the new one on. So you gotta remember which arrow the air flows. 3's on this side, bigger one on this side. Then this is how the water trap looks. Just like that. So here's the new one. So guys, like I was saying, it's about what, 3 years from 2016 to now since I've been bagged, and now the water trap has started leaking. So 3 years daily driven, that's pretty good. All right, so got the Teflon tape. I'm gonna start putting Teflon around the threads. All right. So this one, arrow's going this way, gotta turn it that way. Other one goes the opposite way. Yep, that's as tight as it's gonna get. So now I just gotta put everything back together, put the lines in. So now everything's back in here. All you gotta do is put this side back in. And pull it. This side goes in, and then pull it. Just like that. So that's the new water trap. That's it. This one's done. You stick the airline in and just pull it. Same thing on the other side. Stick it in and just pull it. And now I could just turn the car on and leave the tank fill up. Looks like it's holding up. It's at 182, which is good. Everything looks good. I don't see no bubbles or nothing. Spray these fitting. Everything looks good. Huh? No. So everything is good to go. Now I'm gonna do the air out line. I've got some extra air lines to do the air out, so I'm gonna do that next. Is pull up on the seat and it will move it out of. So here's an extra piece of airline that I found that we have from the GT350. It looks like this. I ran it underneath the chair. So what I'm gonna do is get the airline cutting tool and snip the side that's gonna go into the manifold back there. Pretty easy and simple. Just got to put the back seats back in and we're good to go. But that's it for the video, guys. I know it wasn't a lot to this video. It's basically showing you guys how I found this leak and sharing how you guys hook up a line so you can hear the big psh when the car airs out. But if this video was very helpful, definitely smash the like button. And if you guys are new to the channel, if you guys don't know, I am planning to boost my car very soon, either supercharging or turbo in the car. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna share a video with you guys very soon, so that's gonna be coming up soon. I am gonna need you guys' help. If you guys don't know, if you guys can like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the videos, it would definitely help speed up the process of boosting the car a lot quicker. So any kind of likes, sharing the videos, subscribing to the channel, letting people know about I'm planning to boost the car. And guys, I have a big plan. Depending if I'm supercharging or turbo in the car, the engine is going to look freaking amazing at the end result of what the vision I have for when I boost the car overall. So I cannot wait to share that with you guys. But that's it for the video, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, fire your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals and make it happen. Peace. Also, guys, there is a lot of videos that I have to get caught up on, so be expected for the next couple of days on new videos coming out, because there's some stuff we did to the Shelby GT350 that's coming out. There's more stuff for my car on the way that's coming out, so definitely stay tuned. There's a lot more content on the way.